Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how to work with paid plans and prices on your website. The first thing you should know is that you can allow members to select which plan they want before sign up via maybe a pricing table on your marketing site, during sign up by adding the price attribute directly to your form, or after sign up if you want to have maybe like a free trial, onboarding, or some kind of upgrade flow. All of those are just fine. And these are the attributes you're going to use for all of those situations. For most sites, I recommend using the update attribute. And what this does is it allows a member to have just one paid plan at a time. So whenever they want to switch, it's going to swap or update their plan to the new one. If you want members to be able to purchase multiple plans and have multiple plans at the same time, you can use the data MS price add attribute. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get a pricing table set up. We'll need to find one here, and I think this one is going to work for us. So we'll have a free plan and then two paid plans. We probably won't set the whole thing up in this video for the sake of time, but that's okay. There we go. So we have our pricing table, and now we want, whenever a member clicks on this button, if they're not logged in, we basically want to add the plan to their cart. And if they are logged in, we want to just launch the checkout. So we'll go here into Memberstack. We're going to grab the data MS price update attribute and paste it over here in custom attributes. So we'll click this, paste that in, and then go back over to Memberstack, grab the price ID, and then just like in this GIF, we're going to paste it down there. Head back over here and paste in the value. Great. Now, before we publish our site, we need to do one of two things. We can either use the Memberstack pre-built signup modal, which means we'll add the attribute data ms modal equals signup, or we can link to our own signup page. So Memberstack's going to log the fact that the user wants to sign up for this price, and then we'll take them to the sign up page where they can continue in that process. So now that that's done, we can publish and then repeat this step for all the other pricing buttons on our site. All the other pricing buttons, with one exception. Here we have a plan which doesn't cost anything. It's free. We could do two things. One, we could create a free plan and add that to this button, or we could just rely on the default settings in Memberstack. Anytime somebody signs up without a plan, they're going to get access to the gated content and redirects, which we set in our dashboard right over here. And why this is really handy is if, let's say, somebody purchases our $30 a month recurring plan, but their card expires, they no longer have access, the default settings are going to act as a fallback. We'll be able to redirect them to whatever page we need and still grant access to maybe their profile or other information, which even when they're not paying, they should have access to. Now, there's a lot more I could say about plans and prices in Memberstack, but to keep this video short, I'm going to cut it off here. If you have any questions while you're getting set up, please reach out to us. You can leave a comment in this video. You can check our help center, but either way, we're happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.